guys,
I'm Nisha from Resin Art.
and I am Prisha Goyal, and in today's video we are going to show you how to convert a resin agate into a beautiful napkin holder.
Here's the tutorial of resin agate. We are adding mica to the resin. We have swirled some gold mica on top. We are using this side of the agate as the main face. We will be painting the sides gold to give it a more finished look.
Now we are going to make the napkin rings by adding some pearls. Our napkin rings are ready. So as you saw, we used the resin agate mold and we converted them into beautiful napkin holders.
And using the same mold, we made some beautiful rakhis as well.
It was super fun to work as a team.
Hope you guys like the video.